There's a northbound coming. Oh yeah. Mom.
What, Gabe?
It's in the green flag.
What is that supposed to mean?
No, listen, it means it's coming this way. I told you. We should stay at Richmond if we saw that one way back that way.
What does it matter, Gabe?
Huh? Alright, Mom. Fine. Okay? Fine. Sorry. Okay? The signal's green.
Careful. Careful with that.
You hear it? Huh? You hear it?
Yeah. I hear that one running.
No, look.
No, I don't hear it. No.
Mom!
What?
There's a northbound.
Yeah, really? I don't hear one.
Huh?
I don't hear one.
Hey, look at me, what?
I don't hear one.
You don't?
No.
What? The signal's green? Hold on, Mom. Hold on, okay? Hold on. Hold on. I just want to see what's going on. The northbound's coming, but just... There's a northbound coming. Yeah, the signal's green. Can I try to walk by the tracks a little farther?
No, that's probably not a good idea.
What?
Go around right there.
Alright.
Don't go near the track.
I'm not gonna go by it. I'm not going on it, alright? Mom, I'm too scared. I can't. Mom, come on. I feel like a northbound so hard to tell. Come on, please. Mom, please. There's that southbound.
No.
Red green? What the heck does that mean? Why is it in the red green? Oh, that big goose. Alright, I'm good. Where's northbound? Mom. You hear one? Mom, you hear one?
No.
Should you walk by tracks and look by we see it coming, please? Cause if I do, it might be bees over there. Mom.
There's no bees.
Huh? Wait.
There it is.
That one moving. Mom. This way. This way.
No, that way.
Is it coming?
Yes.
Is it long or short?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Look at it.
You go look.
Let me see.
I don't know. Right here, Gabe. Hurry,
Can I wave?
over here.
Can I wave?
Yeah, go up there.
Alright. Loud. Mom, look at me.
You're fine.
Damn it. Why is he going slow? He has to, okay? There's another train he has to because it's the other one. You know why he's going slow? So he doesn't get the other. You know, I found you up. He is going slow now. This one's in the end. Wait, yeah. Christ, I can't handle the beach. I can see how long it is. It's a long one. Alright, let's just go back to train and film it. You guys see it? Never mind. Uh-oh, hold on. Here. Alright, here we go. Awesome, train. Yes. What the heck? He's coming in. Yeah, 8822. 8822. That's the one we just saw the other day. Now, yeah. Yep. The west. Yes, it's changed to westbound. Let me back up so I can keep the plane better. There we go. Uh-oh, my God. Oh, here comes the end. The end's coming. Oh, it isn't. No. Mom.
Fine.
Mom. You think the cell phone can move up?
Don't know. You're not taping me, are you?
Huh?
You weren't taping me, were you?
Yep, here's the end. Alright. That's all for now.